works the night by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for her baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. She tells him, "Ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you." She tells him, "Your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Hey, rock-a-bye. Single mama, how you doing out there? Facing the hard life without no fear. Just see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you will prepare. And rock-a-bye, don't wanna cry. Lift up your hand, lift it up to the sky. Rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Yeah, yeah. Hey, rock-a-bye, don't wanna cry. Lift up your hand, lift it up to the sky. Rock-a-bye.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
All right, you get a pass tonight. I thought that was pretty good. I didn't have any problems with it.
Conroy.
Okay, we're disagreeing again now. So, but it was pretty good. I liked how you performed. You came out and you brought your own thing to it, and you were really working the stage and working the audience and stuff. There were some moments that I was like, really? But it was okay for me.
Alaine.
Anthonia, your namesake. I think that you're very, very, very talented. You're a great vocalist. And I see you putting your all every week. You give your all, right? You're all in. There's never a question to that. I think musically, the arrangement to that didn't allow for us to get as excited as we would have if them they give you a mix. Bam, 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 bam. Because you are doing it, but the music wasn't doing it, so we couldn't feel it. But good job, vocally on point as usual. You look beautiful. You are full of energy, and I believe you that you're telling the lady rockabye. Sweet, beautiful voice. Good job.
Thanks, judges. Rock Anthonia all the way to the top. Text the word vote to 444-5504 or call 444-5504. Thank you, Tony. Great job.